Hi, this is Gangaya from Maths Magic Academy. So as a part of competitive examination preparation, I am going to tell about how to find number of triangles in a given figure. Number of triangles in a given figure. So in this, there are so many types. For this one class is not enough. We will do in two classes. So first of all, I will discuss type 1. So what type of questions we are facing in the competitive examinations, based on that I am doing this class. So here in the type 1, the triangles are showing like this in the examinations. So in this triangle, if you draw a line, so previously it is only one triangle, now I am drawing a line. And now I am drawing two lines. And now I am drawing three lines. So in this, how many triangles are appearing? It may be a simple one. So here one triangle, here one more triangle. So two triangles are there. So total number of triangles are 2. And here you can observe that it is one triangle, two triangles and three triangles. So total number of triangles are 3. And here total number of triangles are 1, 2, 3, 4. So very simply we can say that here 1, here also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Here 1, 1, 1. So 3. Like that here 1, 1, 1, 1. How many lines are there? How many bases are there? Based on that we can say the number of triangles. So based on number of bases, 1, 2 bases, 2 triangles. Here 3 bases, 3 triangles. Here 4 bases is there. So the number of triangles are 4. It is very simple. Next we will go for type 2. Type 2 triangles. How these two triangles are like this? So the triangles will be like this. Or in this type 2 triangles, the triangles can be like this. Or the triangles can be like this. And one more we can draw like this. Then how many triangles are there? You can observe here it is one triangle, it is second triangle, first triangle, second triangle, and one more bigger triangle. That means totally we have 3 triangles. Here also, here one, second one, third one. Here it is one more triangle, 4, and it is one more triangle, 5, and this is big one is one more triangle, like 6. So total number of triangles are 6. Like here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 triangles are there. But if it is going on increasing, then we cannot calculate easily. And even though the time is not sufficient in the competitive examinations, for every bit they may give very less time, that is nothing but less than 1 minute. So within less than 1 minute we cannot do all those things now. So like 4 triangles, and here 5 triangles, and from this 6 triangles, from this 7 triangles, and here from this 8 triangles, from this 9 triangles. Like that we cannot calculate. It will take so much of time. So that we have to find a logic. That is, here the 3 is coming, 1 plus 2. If you add 1 plus 2, 3 is coming. Here see 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. That means sum of the number of triangles formed here, that is nothing but total triangles. That means here also 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is nothing but the total number of triangles formed in this figure. That is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. That means 10 triangles are formed in this triangle. Like that, if we take a big figure also, we can find very easily. So here How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can add just simply 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 7, 28. Okay, like that we can find the number of triangles. Or otherwise, in very simple way also we can find. Here 1, 2 is there. 2 after what is there? 2 3s are 6. Half of 6 is 3. Or otherwise, here 3 is there. 3 after what is there? 4. 3 4s, 12. 12 half, 6. Like here 4 is there. 4 after 5. 4 5s, 20. Half of 20, 10. Here 7 is there. 7 after 8. 7 8s, 56. 56 half is 28. Okay, like that also we can find. Or otherwise, we can form a formula, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. Why? Because here we are doing sum of the first 4 numbers. Here we are doing sum of the first 7 numbers. Sum of first n integers formula is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. So, in this formula also you can apply 2 into 2 plus 1. That only we said 2 after 3 like that. So, 2 into 3, 6, 6 by 2 is 3. Like here 3 is there, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 3 4s 12, 12 by 2, 6. Like here 4 is there, 4 into 5, 20 by 2 is 10. Like here 7 is there, 7, here 7 plus 1, 8, 7 8s 56, 56 by 2, 28. So like that we can solve this type of type 1 and type 2 problems. Next we will go for the combination of type 1 and type 2. Combination is nothing but what? Here only horizontal lines is there. Here slanting lines is there. Okay, slanting or straight, whatever it may be lines, some different kinds of lines is there. So the lines are different here and here. Then we will go for type 3, that is a combination of both the triangles. Observe in this type 3, I am taking combination type 1 and type 2. Here also so you can observe in the first triangle. As per in type 1, how many triangles is there? 2 triangles is there. But here it is type 3. In this type 3, you have to observe type 2 majorly. Here 1, 2, 3 is there. 1, 2, 3. So 3 after 4, 3 4s 12, 12 by 2 is 6. That means for this base, it is getting 6 number of triangles. And for this base also, it is getting 6 number of triangles. That means 6 plus 6 equals to 12 triangles. Now here in this figure, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So very simple, 5 after 6, 5, 6, 30. 30 by 2 is 15. So from this base 15 triangles will be there. Same like this also, here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. So it is also 15 triangles. For this base also 15 triangles. So 15, 15, 15. So 15 is 45. So total number of triangles from this figure is 45. Next we will go for this figure. In this figure, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this base, the number of triangles, we can observe that 7 into 8, 56 by 2, 28. Here also 28. Here also 28. Here also 28. So like that 28 into 28 into 28 into, 28 plus 28 plus 28 plus 28. 28 into 4. 4. So 4 8 is 32 and 4 2 is 8 and 3 11. So how many triangles are there? 112 triangles is there. So like this we can find number of triangles in a given figure. By using these tricks we can solve the problems in the competitive examinations very easily. So we can do in some more different types of triangles and identifying the number of triangles in the next class. Okay, thank you very much.